All right, what we have here is an 1173 production chrome bumper 1974 MGB Roadster. Interesting car with nice lines, good body gaps, incredible run and drive, which we'll see. This car was bought through a vintage car racer for his friend, and he had prepped the car, and it is one of the finest driving and running MGBs we've had. You can see how straight the body is on the car. How good those body gaps are. We will do this walk around. We're going to do a drive. We're going to do a shot or a video of the car up on the rack so you can see the underside, see how straight it is. He did some nice stuff on this car. One of the things, a couple of the things that he did was the soft top is a nice cloth top versus vinyl. The interior's leather versus vinyl. You can see the paint's beautiful. Body gaps are nice. Look at the gaps here are good. Gaps here are good. Rubber seals are in good condition, not dry rotted out. All this aluminum is clean and nice, not scarred up. Glass is good. Body gaps on the doors are good. The doors fit flush. Nice leather interior. This was a hand-sewn leather interior. It was not a kit. If you can see, the beading is slightly darker than the rest of the leather, kind of like that Jaguar Van and Pla look. See the beading in the door? These are hand-sewn items, not a kit. No cracks on the dash. Tight sun visors. Good gauges. All right, I'm standing outside the car. I'm going to start it up. Nice, easy start. Rust-prone areas are not rusty. We'll go for a drive on this nice, hot, sunshiny day. Pretty, solid, user-friendly MG. All right, we've got the car at eye level so that we can see the lower parts of the car. Just want to show you how clean the front is with the good lenses and seal beams. Good chrome, nice grille, not damaged. No pitting in the chrome. Again, we pointed out earlier, nice gaps in the hood. Sides are straight. Got good gaps here. We're going to lift it on up and show you the underside too. All these trim pieces are straight, not damaged. A little ding here. Again, good gaps. Good rocker panel gaps. Front wings are solid. Wheels are good. Little MG lug nuts. Good seams here, straight body. If these cars have ever been wrecked, they'll be pushed in here and they don't come back. Look how nice that gap is. Okay, I'm gonna go on up in the air. All right, we're on the underside. It is solid. It's not very pretty, but it's solid. Got a good new tank here. We've got a nice exhaust all the way through. It looks like they've rehung these springs. This car does sit up a little bit in the back. Now I see why. These springs are brand new. Look at all the bolts, hangers, new fuel pump. Battery trays are typical, gone, but they've reinforced them with plastic boxes. Floor pans seem to be in good condition. Again, not very pretty, but not rusty. Good muffler. Jack points are good. Drain points, good inner seals. Jack point, good. Floor pans are good. Frame rails are good. Actually, car doesn't have frame rails, but car drives really good. Looks like he's got some new hoses, new shocks, fresh pins up here. Doesn't look too wet. Transmission's a little wet. There we go, just a nice solid MG.